Can you repeat that?
I say which credit card you carry the major balance or high interest rate? Is that your Visa card or the Master? Which card is that?
Oh, it's Visa.
And how much do you owe on your Visa card? Any rough idea?
Probably around $11,000.
Right now, and the interest rate you are paying on this Visa account is more than 11%. I hope you know that, right?
It's probably more than 20.
Yeah. Now, what's going to be happen, ma'am? Your interest rate will be cut down to at least half or even one third. And with the lower interest rate, your responsibility to pay the bill on time the way you do. And I believe you don't have any issues with that, right?
Oh, I actually pay my bill late all the time.
All right. So grab your Visa card and have a look when does your card expire, the month and the year only.
Wait, you're gonna give me the deal even though my credit's bad?
So I say grab your Visa card and have a look when does your card expire, the month and the year only.
Oh, okay. It expires June 22.
And the card number is starting with 4.
4400 45. Wait, I probably shouldn't give you the whole thing, right?
I know you have a Bank of America Visa card is starting with 440066, right?
Yeah, I do have a Bank of America card.
Yeah, ma'am, this is the re-verification process from your side. As an next step, I'm going to pull out the billing statement on your Visa account. I will let you know what is the balance you owe, the last payment you made, the next payment required on you. And according to that billing summary, we will drop down the interest rate for you, okay?
What's your name again?
I am John Davis calling from the card services, the billing department of Visa and Master credit card.
For Visa?
Yes.
Okay.
So verify me the card number starting with 4.
Okay, so you have my card number?
Yes, we already have it on my database. I am the verification officer. My job is just to re-verify and make you qualified to get lower rate.
Okay, could you read me my credit card number to verify that you have it?
I understand your concern. Where are you coming from? Just trying to protect yourself, right?
Yeah. Could you just read me the last 4?
I told you, ma'am, your all information is saved on my database, not in front of me. I'm the verification officer. My job is just to re-verify and make you qualified to get lower rate.
Wait,
And the
so
next step, I'm going to pull out the billing.
you don't have my number in front of you, but you can verify it if I tell it to you?
Well, sir, ma'am, your all information is in static form. And then you give me the number, then I will punch in my system, okay? Then I will let you know what is the balance you owe, the last payment you made, the next payment required on you. And according to that billing summary, we will drop down the interest rate for you, okay?
But I don't understand. I have really bad credit, so why are you going to drop my interest rate?
You are speaking with your own card services, the company who provides you the monthly bill each and every month at your doorstep, ma'am.
Uh-huh. But
Today your profile has been approved by Credit Reporting Bureau Experience to pick your profile because you're paying the bill on time.
no, I pay it late all the time. I actually get late fees. But if they want to drop my interest rate, then that's fine with me.
You need a lower rate.
Oh, I definitely need a lower rate, especially since I'm paying all these fees and stuff.
Then verify the card number, so can I pull up the statement and drop down the interest rate for you to pay your balance much quicker and much faster, okay?
Okay. It's
Verify the card. Yeah.
4400 4527 4527 4527.
Are you playing? After that,
Sorry?
44004527. After that,
Okay. It's 4527. And then another 4527.
are you playing the game?
What?
Are you playing the game?
Am I what again?
I say you are playing the game over the phone call.
Am I playing the game?
Over the phone call.
Like checkers?
What?
I was playing a game of checkers when you called.
What? You gave me the wrong card number, ma'am.
That's my card. John Davis.
Oh, this really?
Yes, John Davis.
Then have a nice day, okay?
No, John Davis.
Mm-hmm.
Will you marry me?
No.
Oh, come on. Oh, he's a smart one to figure out I was playing a game.
How are you doing?
Oh, hi, you're breaking up.
How are you doing?
We don't have a very good connection. It sounded like you said...
Are you a student?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to get the 0% interest rate on your credit card?
Oh, 0% interest rate? That would be
Yes.
awesome.
Okay, on which card you want me to apply the lower rates? Is there a Visa card, MasterCard, or Discover card?
I have a Visa.
Okay, and on the basis of your good credibility and your good payment history, today you are perfectly qualified for 0% interest rate, okay?
Okay, do you have my name?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, once we get down your interest rates, then you're going to pay off your balances much faster and much quicker. What you have to do to get the lower rates is you have to maintain your minimum payments on time as you were doing before, okay?
Oh, I was actually paying them late. Quite
Yeah.
often.
So, go ahead.
I pay late probably half the time.
So you don't want the lower rates?
I do. I do want a lower rate.
Okay. On this, like the Visa card, you make sure the Visa card you have is not an expired because we cannot apply the lower rates on the expired card. So can you grab your Visa card handy and verify the expiration date?
Okay. What's your name?
This is Nancy from Card Services.
Nancy from Card Services. Okay. Yeah, let me go grab my credit card out of my wallet. So I have a few credit cards. Are you able to offer me 0% on all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes.
can?
Yes.
Like even my Nordstrom?
Yeah, you can get the lower rates on the Nordstrom Visa card.
Wow. That's really cool.
What is the expiration date?
Oh, it's June 22.
Okay, and what's the number starting with number 4?
4400 66 21 666 0 1 2 1 2 9 8 3 4.
Can you read me the card number again?
4 4.
1006621. What after that?
Okay. Then we have, what did you put down?
6661.
Yes, 6661
0521.
0521
Yes.
and then 9.
Do you have any card or you're just putting it on?
Sorry?
Do you have any credit cards?
Yes, I have probably 4 credit cards.
And through which bank you got this card?
Oh, Bank of America.
Okay, so can you read me the card number again? 440066. What after that?
Yeah. 44
Will you give it a
00 66 21
What after that?
After that is oh, it's hard to hear you swearing at me. Oh, that hurts my feelings so much, loser. Why do you scam people? Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications. And remember, do not give anyone your credit card number or social security number over the phone when you didn't initiate contact.